Hi, Brett from Patio Pleasures. I'm going to show you how to remove an airlock on your Marquis spa. You'll know you got an airlock because you can hear the pump running, but water's not moving. Or you're going to get an error on your topside control panel saying either dry, the heater's dry, or it can't sense temperature or something like that. You'll have a definite error code. What you want to do is take off your front panel. You can watch one of our videos on how to do that. Once you remove your front panel, you want to find pump 1. Pump 1 is the pump that's going to be operating through the heater and what's going to control your heating and filtration. You'll find the heater. It's this stainless steel tube, and this is your pump 1. What you want to do is slightly loosen this one collar until you get some water dripping out of it. I always use a large channel locks pliers to do this. It doesn't take a whole lot of force. You want to be a little gentle with it, and you'll crack that collar just a little bit, and you'll hear a rush of air. That rush of air is gone. You can tighten up the collar. This is where you have to be a little gentle with it because you can break this collar. Just enough pressure to seal that collar back up, and your airlock is gone. Your pump should take off and work just fine.